Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to download Office 365 onto your personal computer and how to install or set up OneDrive. So you're going to want to go to your search engine and go to office.com. Going to go ahead and sign in. You will be signing in with your credentials. Credentials can either be from your organization, work, or school account. Okay, in this case, it took me to my school account. And you're going to want to go to Install Office 365 Apps. It will download in the bottom, open when done. So it runs, you will select yes if it prompts you to, and it'll automatically run on your PC. Here I did fast forward the video a little bit where I was using my work school Wi-Fi, and it does have fast speeds, but it did take a little bit of time to download and set up. So I did fast forward the video a little bit here. It did take quite a while for it to show up on my PC. So as you can see here, it took forever to download, but you can see what apps it comes with the Office 365. It'll be Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, SharePoint, Skype, and Access. Okay guys, so as soon as it is done, it will say Office is now installed. Installation has finished. You will click close. Just make sure you want to verify, and at the bottom type PowerPoint. If you do not see PowerPoint or Word, you will go and select Office. And it should prompt you to again sign in and verify. So it's gonna prompt you to enter a work or school account. You will hit continue. Then it will prompt you to sign in with your account. Click next, select work or school. It will send you to the sign-in page from your organization. And then select yes to remember this account in your device. You will let it load. And that would be the last step. So you would hit done and it should be set. If you go again at the bottom and search for PowerPoint, it should automatically give you the app. So next you want to set up OneDrive. So you will select a OneDrive on your folders. You will enter your OneDrive account. In this case, I'm using the same account. You will choose personal account or work or school. So in this case, this is my school account. Will load on signing in. The next steps are just to click next to sync all your folders and files. It does give you a variety of steps of what you can do with OneDrive on your PC, and it gives you a description of each of the little icons, what they mean, and hit next. It shows you a little bit more about how to use and manage your files on the PC. You click next. It also gives you how to download the app on your mobile device, and you are set to go. And it will take a little bit of time to sync all your folders and files onto your OneDrive that is accessible through your PC. So as you can see here, it does have the little icons, little cloud on it. Once you open a file that you had made in another device, it will download, and you can see the little icon turned green. You can see here I do have a document just to show as an example, and everything is here the way I saved it in another device, and now I can have access to it here. I open it again and see all my files. Okay, that'll be it for today. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful.